so as you can see on your USD, we started to push up quite a bit from yesterday. So after grabbing this liquidity, you can see we started to stall, push down a little bit further, and then yesterday we stalled, and today we're seeing some upward momentum. So let's see how long this would sustain, because we have areas of liquidity right here, right? So we have these highs, right, and this one that we marked previously. So let's see how long it wants to sustain this upward momentum, and then if we see a change of character from maybe after grabbing this liquidity highs, then we can find our entry, because this is our swing low. And sorry, this is now our swing low. This was our previous swing low, I meant. And so in the sense, so we have from here to here as a impulsive phase, right? So we can mark it out like this. Well, right, so we have this area as our premium, and this is our, I'm sorry, this is our premium, and this is our discount here, right? So right on the 4 hour, it goes more like this because of this retracement, and then this bearish push downward. So now this is our premium, and this is our discount. So if we're selling, we want to sell from premium into discount. So perhaps it would be ideal for us to grab this liquidity and then, or this one, and then we start to sell from there. So let's see what what Euro USD wants to do, and that also with the dollar, because the dollar has grabbed this liquidity that we're targeting to the left, and that has happened. And you can see we gapped down this morning, right? Yeah, or last night. But you can see, so now we are having some bearish momentum. If we look to our left, we have this area of this liquidity areas right here open, right? So we have this area, all of this right open, so we can still grab some more liquidity to our left. We see some potential for some downward movement. So let's see how the dollar wants to develop over the course of, by the end of this week till next week. Let's see what wants to happen. So I would like some lower prices on the dollar, perhaps grabbing all of this ascending lows, and this one maybe connecting with this demand level. Because if we go into the daily, so you can see also in the daily, right, we're still bullish, right? But some retracement would be ideal for us to look for that next leg up, because okay, now we've grabbed liquidity, so we can expect a retracement from the market. Let's see if that happens, right? Because okay, look here also, we grabbed liquidity and then we pushed down. We started to push down also. So let's watch out for that, and let's see how that develops. Okay, so for GBP USD, similar story at the moment, because if we look to our left, right, after grabbing this, we still had some downward push because the dollar had, you know, room to roam, right? And now the dollar has also started to retrace, so we can expect that also from GBP USD. Let's see how deep this retracement wants to go. But if we're looking at immediate liquidity highs that we can target, we have here, by like here rather. So we have this liquidity high, right? We also have one here. Let's update that. We also have here, you can see. So for me, it's all about being patient. Let's see some upward momentum. I like this area because we have consolidation, liquidity, so maybe we grab it and then we push down from there. Okay, so with NZD USD, you can see this is just very bearish at the moment, and we've started to retrace. So I mean, or we started to slow down rather, not even retrace. So we're just slowing down at the moment, and let's see what wants to happen. I would like some higher prices, and then we can look for buys from there. So for me right now, wow, beautiful, beautiful, right? So just waiting for maybe some accumulation or some higher prices, and then we can sell from there. Let's see how that works. With AUD USD, This, as as we've been talking about, like this is still more bullish than the others because on the daily, the swing low and the swing high is bullish, right? So here and here. So and then we came into this area of consolidation, and now we took out this some areas of liquidity, and then we started to push up from there a little bit. So I would like to see higher prices. I like this area of supply because it took out liquidity to our left before dumping. So let's see, we have this descending, like this imbalance area here. So let's see what happens, right? So let's see what happens if we get into this area, perhaps grab this liquidity, and then we get that change of character. That would be nice to see, and it would be nice to sell it, and we still have this open area, so that would be nice. With USD CHF, right? So as you can see, for now this isn't really my favorite pair. I'm still, I would, it's just moving sideways. It is bearish, which is clear to see, right? It's bearish. It's a bearish market, and now we've moved up and grabbed liquidity. So if I start to see some bearish momentum come back in the market, we can start to look for sales from it. That would be nice. But yeah, that's all I have for it. But it's nice though because it grabs this liquidity. Hopefully, maybe this also, or maybe not, I don't know. But if we start to see some bearish momentum from the market, then we can follow it and go in because you can see it's slowing down. So maybe some bearish momentum kicks in with some CHF strength. That would be nice. We gold, uh, not a big fan at the moment, just moving sideways, although we still have this lows that is building, this ascending lows that is building, which is nice to see. Maybe if we push up a little bit further into this area, we can grab some liquidity, and then I would like to target some sales into this quarterly open. So that would be my target for gold. For USD CAD, this is beautiful, man. We were talking about this. Man, this is a beautiful call out, guys. I mean, if you took this trade, amazing, man. From here, right? So you could have gotten in from here, and then boom, you've hit your TP perhaps. So so the first thing is you can see we grabbed liquidity to our left and this area of consolidation, and then we rejected it, and then we just started to push off from there. And because it's a bullish market and now we're in the impulsive phase, I'm still looking for buys. It would be nice to see some retracement, maybe into this liquidity and the liquidity area, and then we grab it and then push up from there and continue because to my left I don't see, wait, let's see, yeah, I really don't see anything, or maybe until this area, yeah, somewhere here, I don't really see anything that would hinder that movement. So let's see if that happens. It would be nice to take some positions. And then USD JPY, guys, remember we're just looking for longs on this thing, but also we've, have we grabbed this liquidity? Sorry, have we grabbed this liquidity? No. So we still have some open areas. You can see all these descending highs, like it's just looking lovely, and it's a bullish, we're in a bullish phase at the moment. So guys, there's no selling this market for me. It's all about buying. And how are we going to buy? We're just looking for, okay, this area that we left behind, right? So here, like, okay, no, rather here that we left behind, maybe we grab some liquidity also from there. Sorry, right, right, this low. So I would like to see some retracement and then change of character, and then from there we can start to look for additional buys on this pair. All right, guys, I wish you a wonderful day. Take care.